Hello, my name is Shreya. I'm a product specialist at Verkada, and this video will cover how to configure response flows within your alarm site. Go to the Products menu and select New Alarms. Select the alarm site that you need to configure. From the menu, select Response. The first step here is to configure your alarm site's response level. You can choose from 3 different response levels. First, notification only. When an alarm is raised, contacts will be notified via SMS only, and then they can reply directly. Emergency service will not be dispatched by default. Second, standard. When an alarm is raised, contacts will be called first, and then emergency service will be dispatched. Third, immediate dispatch. When an alarm is raised, emergency services will be dispatched first, then contacts will be called. Next, if you have an output device such as a siren or strobe connected and configured to the alarm panel, it will be displayed here. When selected, these devices will activate automatically when an alarm is raised. Next, choose the contacts to be notified when an alarm is raised. For a notification-only response, following contacts will be notified via SMS. No phone calls will be made. For a standard response, agents will call the contacts twice in the following order specified. If nobody answers, agents will proceed to dispatch police. For immediate dispatch, agent will first call the police and then inform the contacts in the order specified here. To adjust the call priority, simply drag and rearrange the contact. To add a new contact to this list, on top, click on the plus button to add command users as alarm site contacts. You can enter their name, phone, or email. To add an external contact, type the name of the contact. If that contact is not already added or is not a command user, an option to create new contact will appear. Add the first name, last name, and phone number. Click Add. This external contact will now appear in the list of available contacts and can be added to other alarm sites if needed. External contacts do not have email addresses, so they cannot log into Verkada command. These contacts are now able to receive SMS notification when an alarm is raised, receive a call during an alarm event depending on the configured response flow, and resolve the alarm. To remove a contact, click on the cross button next to their name. Next, verify the cameras used for video verification. These are the cameras added as triggers to your alarm site's camera partition or paired with a sensor. For camera triggers, agents will check if the rule was broken before raising an alarm. For sensor triggers, an alarm will be raised first and then the agent will verify if a person is visible in the camera view. Next, enable talk down by an agent. This feature is only available in the standard response flow. Agents can talk down intruders via the BZ11 horn speaker before intruders can do damage. To enable talk down by an agent, you must have a horn speaker paired with a camera that is used as a trigger at the site. Lastly, verify the emergency services that will be contacted when an alarm is raised based on your location. For example, in this case, the San Mateo Police Department will be notified if an alarm is raised. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.